Did you know that anchor bolts are the unsung heroes of heavy-duty construction? Whether you're securing massive steel beams or structural columns, these bolts keep everything in place, literally. At LRKD Industries, we specialize in precision-engineered anchor bolts designed to handle extreme loads. Safety is non-negotiable. That's why our anchor bolts are crafted from high-grade materials that resist corrosion, stress, and wear. They're built to withstand the test of time, even in the toughest environments. From skyscrapers to bridges and industrial facilities, anchor bolts are the backbone of stability and security. For more information and assistance, contact us today at 646-880-6778, or you can visit our website at www.lrkdindustries.com.